As I opened my YouTube app, I saw this gorgeous thumbnail and I had to click on the video of this Tyler inspired hair. And I knew I wanted this hair. So shout out to Courtney. Thank you so much for inspiring this look. I love it. Go guys, check out her page. I even commented that I needed it ASAP. And sure and behold, I went right to my Amazon and I typed in that wig and I purchased the hair. Now the hair that I purchased was in the color 1B. You can see I purchased it recently, March 28th. So let's jump right into it. This is what the packaging is like. It was super sunny, so it's hard for you to see it, but it's the Outre glueless wig. This wig was super easy to install. That's why this video is super short, because it is for beginners. It comes with the elastic band, and the lace comes all the way across and then in the middle for your parting. I'm just using my cream concealer to just make that lace blending a little bit well. And then I'm gonna use my zigzag scissors to cut the lace off, just so that I don't have that clean part. When I was editing, which is like right now, I really should have cut the lace a little bit more, but I'm gonna make it do what it do for this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plop that wig onto my head. If you're familiar with my channel, I am not a big fan of middle parts, but there was just something about this specific wig that the middle part was screaming my name. So I opted to just go ahead and do the middle part instead of doing a side part like I always do. So I'm just testing out the scene, fluffing out the curls with my fingers. I don't want to fluff it out too much because with synthetic hair, the more you wear it, the better. So I don't want to put so much wear in it right away. I'm just going to just fluff it a little bit so it's not so defined with my fingers. And then gradually down the line, as I wear it more and more, it's just going to look more natural. Now I need to define my part, so I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to part my hair down the middle just to make my part just a little bit cleaner. And then after that, the way I clean up my part is just adding some concealer to that part, or any like cream foundation of your choice to that part. Also, I don't want to add the lace to my exact forehead because I'm not good with laying and blending my lace. So I'm just going to pull out a little bit of my hair in the front just so that it looks like the hair is like growing out of my scalp and not just like you can see the lace. Here's me adding my cream foundation to my parting. It was really hard because my viewfinder is pretty small, so I had to keep going back to the mirror behind me in my hallway to just see what I'm doing. Now I'm just going to frame my face just a little bit. Now this hair does come layered, but I feel like the bang areas was just a tiny bit too long. So I'm just going to snip just a little bit of it, about an inch and a half of it off, just so that it frames my face a little bit better. And that's the only cutting that I do. If you're new to my channel, just want to let you know, hi, I don't know how to cut. So there's that. But look at how well it frames my face. And now it's time for me just to get rid of that lace. Again, I should have cut in that lace, but again, I'm looking at my viewfinder and it looks like it was doing good. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of my black eyeliner to just hide the lace that I have behind my hairline. Again, if I would have known this is what it was gonna look like, I would have just cut that lace off. But that's what I did just to blend that lace in. And then I'm gonna use my teaser brush. I love this with curly hair, and I'm just gonna tease the roots of this hair just a little bit so that it blends a little bit more. I did not glue this unit down. I do plan to use bobby pins to secure it. So if you want to glue it down, you can, but I had it just a little bit behind my hairline so that it looks natural. But also when the wind blows, I want to make sure that you cannot see that lace. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to tease it and then also add some of that black liner to it to just make it blend. And that's basically it. Like, this is a really go-to style. Again, that's why this video is so short. It's super simple, gorgeous. I was really feeling myself. On top of that, when I was doing this video, I was listening to the Renaissance album. So I was feeling myself times 30. I'm in my Beyonce era. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You can see, like, I'm feeling myself. I'm even gonna put some shades on. That's how much I was feeling myself. I'm like, this wig is eaten. It is eaten. So thanks for watching this video, and here's some behind the scenes. What?